I need a potato chip. Oh, starting. Okay, you did not hear me talk about potato chips. All right. Today, Pringles are good. We are talking about trapezoids. Hey, hold on. Trapezoids. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral. No more potato chips, Bria. Quadrilateral, which by the way means it has 4 sides. Man, the dog choked. Quadrilateral that only has one set of parallel lines. So, a quadrilateral can have a short line, a long line. They're connected. It can be like this, a 90-degree angle. Ba-doom, see? Because that one and that one are parallel. That means they will go on and on and on forever and never cross.
Really?
Just like that one and that one are parallel. They will go on and on and on and on and on and on forever and never cross. But because quit eating your potato chips, go away. Because you're in advanced math, you need to do more than just know what a trapezoid is. You need to know how to find seriously, go away. You need to find the area of a trapezoid. So the formula for area of a trapezoid is area equals 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. Got it? Good. So let's say we have this. If you want to know what the bases are the 2 lines that are parallel with each other. They will go on and on and on forever. And it doesn't matter which one you call base 1 and which one you call base 2 because nobody really cares. So for this sake, we'll just call those 2 base 1, base 2. If you want to know what the height is the imaginary line where you will make a 90-degree angle between both bases. Okay, so now we know what a trapezoid is. We know what the formula for a trapezoid is. We know what the bases are. We know what the height is. And if Bria doesn't quit eating her potato chips loudly in my ear, I'm going to lock her in her bedroom until she's 14. All right, so let's do an example, shall we? Why, by golly, we shall. By the way, I really hate making these videos. All right, so let's call this example uno. So we have trapezoid. Yes? Yes. This trapezoid has a base of 1 6/10 meters, of 9 meters, and its height is 6/10 meters. So it wants to know what the area of that is. So again, basically just plug and chug. Your area equals 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So let's plug in what we know. We don't know the area yet. That's what we're trying to find. So 1/2 times 1 6/10 plus 9/10 times the height, and the height is 6/10. Well, sweet golly bejeebers, we can do this. Let's do what we know. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Let's add these 2 thingies together. Yes? Yes. So that right there is area equals 1/2 times 2 5/10 times 6/10. Okay? So what else do we know can we do in our head? Well, heck, I can find half of 6/10. Can you? Yeah, because half of 6 is 3. So now we have 2 5/10 times 3/10. And we know 2 5/10 times 3/10 is 75 meters. And again, as you can tell, ooh, I forgot my meter squared. As you can tell, my handwriting, if anything, has gotten worse. Sorry. All right, let's do another one. Go away, dog. Out of here. Okay, Let's do example 2. Okay, so we have trapezoid. This time we know the area. We know the area is 702 square inches. We know base 1 is 20 inches. We know base 2 is 34 inches. What we do not know is the height. Well, again, plug in what you know. So this time we know the area. So we have 702 equals, now again, since the formula is area equals 1/2 base 1 and base 2, well, we still know our bases. So we know 20 plus 34, because there's a base and there's a base, times the height. But we don't know our height, so we just do times h. We can do this. Ain't no flying but a chicken wing. Let's smush it together. 702 equals 1/2 times 54 times h. Sweet deal. We can keep doing this. Half of 54 is 27. So 702 equals 27 times h. So now you got to do the opposite to get the unknown. What's the opposite of multiplication? Everybody? Everybody? Division! Woo, woo, division! That's right, all y'all's. Division. So we're going to come over here and we're going to do 702 divided by 27. 27 goes into 70 2 times. That's 54. 19. Bring down your 2. That's 6. 192. So that leads us with divided by 27, divided by 27. That leads us with 26 equals h. So your answer is 26 inches. Make sense? Well, if it doesn't, just get a hold of me on the Google Meet and we'll talk about it. No big deal. Later, dudes.